Hi, it's Dr. Grant Pagdin. I'm talking about what are some of the benefits of bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. What could BHRT do for you? Well, we know that as we age, our hormones start to decline. As our hormones decline, nothing good is happening in our bodies. We're simply getting slower, sicker, fatter, and stupider. So if you want to turn that trend around and you want to consider having some hormone replacement, we try to top things up to the optimal end of the spectrum. You don't have to wait until you've fallen off the bottom of the range before you entertain the idea of supplementing hormones, but we also don't want the levels going too high. So we try to get you just into the sweet spot where you're performing well. We can help you to preserve your muscle and bone strength. We can help you to preserve your youthful, vigorous levels of activity and vitality. We can help you to improve your mental performance. And all of these things will help you to continue to be able to enjoy an active, productive, and vigorous lifestyle.